Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, viewers. I once again welcome you all to this new video about the Saturn. Saturn has got various combinations to give different effects to any individual. So we'll be seeing all these in detail in this video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, keep this subscribed so that you can get my instant updates. Also, if you like this video, click to like and share with your groups and friends. Yes, 7.5 period of Saturn. This seems to be a really triggering one for all the people. Once they get into the 7.5, they will run away. They want to be away from this Saturn because it is so dangerous that Saturn will give its punishment for all the ill deeds. If the person has to live in a proper way, in a right manner, if he is deviating, if he is not doing justice to his work, if he is earning money in illegal ways, and he is not showing mercy to his friends or relatives, then during this 7.5 period, the horoscope holder will find it very much difficult. See, Saturn is a planet which is very slow moving when compared to Moon. In astrology, Moon seems to be the most fastest moving planet because it takes just 2.5 days to move from one particular zodiac sign to another zodiac sign. But Saturn is totally different. It takes nearly 2.5 years to move away from one zodiac sign to another zodiac sign. When we say a person will have a 7.5 period of Saturn? Supposing if the zodiac sign happens to be Aries, when Saturn comes to Pisces, then we can say for Aries, the 7.5 period started. So it will be there for 7.5 years. That's why they call it as 7.5 Saturn. Because when the Saturn is there in the previous house of where the moon stays, and 2.5 years where the zodiac sign is, and next 2.5 years for the next house. So totally it will give 7.5 years effect to a person. Generally Saturn will not do much harm to Capricorn and Aquarius because Saturn seems to be the owner of these houses. So those who are born in these two houses, to an extent they are lucky because they don't get the severity in the punishment. But at the same time Saturn will do punishment to them also if they are not justified in the work, if they do not do justice. So this 7.5 period of Saturn will definitely affect a person's career if it comes in the middle age. If it comes in the early age, it will give effects in the health, and those who are dependent, they will have some serious problems. When it comes in the third round, then it will cause even death to certain people, but you should not take so seriously that it will definitely lead into death. There are so many permutations, combinations to be checked, because in general, if a person's age comes around on an average 80 to 100, the third cycle will definitely come after 70 plus to a person. So generally during that period, it may cause fatality also. For Saturn, there are so many things that we need to consider. One is the Mahadasa of Saturn. Saturn will rule about 19 years Mahadasa, which comes as second when compared to Venus, because Venus rules 20 years, which is the longest period in a person's horoscope. Then comes Saturn, which is around 19 years. So during the Saturn Dasa, it will also give the same effect of the 7.5 period. So there are chances some may not find the Saturn Dasa at all, because those who are born in the Mercury's Mahadasa, the chances of getting into the Saturn's Mahadasa will be very, very less. For those, they get punished during the 7.5 period only. If a person having a very good Saturn, being seated in a very good place with positive planets aspecting the Saturn, like Jupiter or Venus, then it will not give much bad effects. At the same time, if a person is having Saturn in a wrong place with bad planets aspecting or conjuncted, then they will have high severity during this Saturn Mahadasa. When a person is having both Saturn Mahadasa as well as 7.5 period, when the Saturn Mahadasa is also not good, then he may face severe problems in his lifetime during that period. Some may lose their job. A person who lived like a king may come like a beggar. So Saturn will pull out everything and make him like a beggar. So this is a severity of Saturn's punishment. Generally Saturn's punishments comes in 7.5 period and Ashtama Saturn as well as Ardhashtama Saturn. So we will be looking into each in detail. Let us see about the 7.5 period of Saturn. When a child is born, it's just an example, you see the horoscope sample given here, where the zodiac sign being Taurus, moon is seated, and the third house, Gemini, you can see Saturn there. So we can say that when this person is born, he is born in the 7.5 period. Luckily, he will have only 2.5 years left to next maximum. So when he is born in the first round, that is initial stage itself, he is born in a 7.5 period of Saturn. So when this person is a child, during that first 2.5 years, he may find severe health problems and he need to visit doctors very frequently. There will be a lot of expenses spent on his health. So this is the severity when Saturn comes in the very young age, that is below 5 years. In case if the Saturn's first round comes before 30 years, because I used to say when Saturn has got 30 years to complete one cycle. So if a person missed this Saturn 7.5 years when he is born, definitely during his age of around 25 to 30, he will face this 7.5, which will come to him actually. During that time, it may spoil his education, he may be very much sluggish in studies. If a person is just joining for any job opportunities, he may not find a suitable job. He has to roam around for jobs a number of times and he may not get into a proper placement also. These are some of the problems when it comes to the first time. Generally, the 7.5 second round comes when a person is aged around 25 to maximum, we can say around 55 to 60. So around this period, a person would have been settled, got married and being in the verge of settling his life. During that time when the 7.5 period comes, then it will have a very bad effect that he may lose his family, some may lose money, some may lose their job, and those who are in a very rich in society, they may come down to the level. Even some may go and stand in the streets also. That was a severity Saturn will punish certain people. If a person had a lot of bad karmas earned during the previous years, the effects will be, he might get the punishment during this 7.5 period for all those karmas he made in the previous births. Also, those who are working in certain companies or in doing business, not justified in the work, they are not doing in the proper way and they are not honest and they are very much dishonest, and they try to cheat the people or cheat the society, then during this 7.5 period of Saturn, they need to face severe problems and even health issues may come, and some may lose their job and some may lose their business also. So they will come down into streets. In fact, this is a severity. So during the second round. So one should be very much careful and they want to avoid this problem. They need to worship Lord Ganesha daily, as well as on every Saturday they should worship Anjaneya or Lord Hanuman on every Saturday, which will get rid of these problems. The 7.5 period of Saturn comes to a person on third time when he is aged around 55 or 60 plus. So during this period when it comes in an early stage and if he is not having proper Mahadasa or Dasa running currently, then it will have a severe effect. Some may get into risk in their life. There are chances may get bedridden and they might have created some serious illness in their health, and there may be some fatality also. For some may even die during this period. So this is a criticality they face in the third 7.5 period of Saturn. The third round seems to be highly dangerous because a person is already aged 70 or 80, and if he is not having proper dasa or mahadasa, then this is going to be the last period for them. They do not see the fourth round. Generally, it is very difficult to a person to see the fourth round of 7.5. Why we say? Because when the Saturn comes as a fourth round, it should be around 120 years plus. So those who are living for more than 120 years, then there are chances that such a person might see the 7.5 on the fourth time. So in all those, on an average people, the age limits will be around 90 to 100. So they will not go above this 7.5 of third period. So this third round of 7.5, it will be very severe. Some may even get into some mental health issues. There will loss of memories, and they may fall into bed, and some may even live their life. So these are a very critical period for any person. So during this period, they should pray to Lord Vinayaka daily, as well as they should pray to Lord Anjaneya also. So then it will protect them and help them to get rid of all these problems. Ashtama Saturn. What we call as Ashtama is when Saturn is seated at the 8th house from the moon or the zodiac sign, then we call it as an Ashtama Saturn. Ashtama Saturn is also as equal as the 7.5 period, because for this 2.5 years, it will give the same effect what the Saturn gives during the 7.5 period time also. So one should be very much careful during this Ashtama period of Saturn, because they should need to pray to Lord Anjaneya regularly, as well as they should pray to Lord Ganesha, which will prevent them getting into serious problems. During this period, the horoscope holder might find serious health issues. They may get into knee problems, etc. So this will prevent them doing any work, they are taking any initiatives. Whatever the efforts they make, they need to put it several times. It will not get succeeded in the first or second attempt. They need to make lot of efforts, many attempts they should make. Even for going to a place or reaching a particular destination, they need to wait for long. They need to spend time, they need to spend money, and all these health issues also come in during this Ashtama period. So in this example, you can see for the zodiac sign Aries, where moon is stayed, the Saturn is there at the Scorpio, which is the 8th house from Aries. So this we call it as Ashtama. So Ashtama Saturn will also give the equal effect of 7.5 period. So Ardhashtama Saturn. Ardhashtama also gives equal power like Ashtama Saturn. It will give lot of troubles like Ashtama Saturn. Since it is Ardhashtama, it is 50% of what Ashtama gives. In this example, you can see for the zodiac sign Pisces, where moon is seated, the Saturn is there at the 4th house. Generally, if the Saturn comes on the 4th house from the moon, then we can say they have the Ardhashtama Saturn. For this particular example chart, we can say for the zodiac sign Pisces, it is Ardhashtama Saturn. Ardhashtama Saturn will give the equal effect like Ashtama Saturn, but 50% of the effects. Generally, when Saturn is there in the 4th house generally we call it for the properties, we call it for mother's health. So generally Saturn will trouble on all these areas. They may get into frequent vehicle problems, they may find changes in their house where they stay, because they need to keep on shifting their houses. They will not be satisfied with one particular house, and whenever they try to purchase any property or land, they will find a lot of disputes in that during the purchases. So all the jewelers, gold, whatever they have in the stock market, they may find the values getting decreased. So these are all the major effects which the Saturn will give when it rules as Ardhashtama Saturn. Ardhashtama Saturn also, one should pray to Lord Rama regularly, as well as Lord Anjaneya also. It will prevent them from all these ill effects. So these are general things that we come note down from the Saturn's movement. Generally, when the Saturn moves, when it is very close to moon, effects of both moon and the Saturn are totally different, because a moon is a fast moving planet and Saturn is a very slow moving planet. When they both coincide, so the effects will cause a lot of damages to those who are having the particular zodiac sign and having that Mahadasa, which are not so good. when they have a proper Dasa and Mahadasa, then this 7.5 or Ashtama or Ardhashtama Saturn will not do any major harm to them. At the same time, if they do not have the proper Dasa or Mahadasa running, they are already in a very critical state, then this particular 7.5 or Ardhashtama or Ashtama Saturn will also add fuel to the fire. So it will impact a lot in their life. So I hope you would have understood about the Saturn's different effects. Thanks, and we will once again meet in the next video.